that.
She likes you.
Show off your damn self, Ember. Who's that girl? Who is she? She is it. Show me. Look at their Silver. Show us what you do to them kids at them parties. Show us. Boom. Damn. Look it. Oh, there goes Gus.
You're taking 5 real quick.
Silver. I know, I was like, show us what you do to the pony party children. And he did a 360 buck in the air.
Very concerned over there.
Oh my gosh. He's like, I need a shepherd's hat. Billy. Billie Jean. That's like where calendar pictures come from, except there's fucking Eddie's trailer in the background. God damn it.